police report has been lodged against a Facebook account for allegedly defaming former Perak Menteri Besar Ahmad Faizal Azumu over the approval of pig farm licenses in the state. Faizal said his special officer had lodged the report after seeing the now deleted post, which clearly showed his picture and referred to him specifically as the former Perak Menteri Besar. He said the post is deliberately malicious, defamatory, and aimed at tarnishing his image and reputation. The Facebook post had quoted Faizal as allegedly saying he had approved licenses for 103 pig farms in Perak during his time as Menteri Besar from 2018 to 2021. Previously, past Vice President Idris Ahmad claimed that 30 farms were approved in the Batang Padang and Mualim districts based on field observations. Perak Executive Councillor A.C. Wanasan denied the claim, saying no new pig farms have been approved in Muslim-majority areas.